Now we'll go for one more data interpretation. Definitely you can expect two different data interpretations, guys. And you already know that what are the models are there in data interpretation. And you should understand the table, you have to take the information from the table. So first read the information. The bar graph shows the income of three persons in 5 different years. Read the data and answer the following questions. And here representation, first box is represented Rahul, next one is Harman's, and last one is Mohan's. Okay. And the income they given in terms of numbers, but each number is represented number of thousands. Okay. So, okay, I can understand that information while seeing this picture. Now go through the data, main data. In 2012, the ratio of Harman's expenditure to the Mohan's expenditure is 5 is to 4. Guys, here data 2012, and they are discussing about expenditure of Harman's, and Mohan's. It is in the ratio of 5 is to 4. And you know the relation, guys. Income minus savings is equal to expenditure. So based on the information, you can interchange all the data, guys. Now go through the next one. So here the first identify that in 2012, what is the income of Hermans? So 2012 Hermans means it's a second date. It's a 42,000. It's a 42,000. Income of Mohan. Income of Mohan means it's a third. It's a 34,000. Now, and savings of Mohan is 10,000. So savings of Mohan is 10,000. Guys, savings of Mohan is 10,000. Definitely expenditure must be 24,000. Now you know the comparisons here. So 4 become a 24,000. Each unit is multiplied by 6,000. Now here Herman's expenditure is exactly equal to 30,000. Okay, we'll get the data. Find the difference between Herman's expenditure. Herman's expenditure is 30,000. Herman's savings. So what about the Herman savings here? The difference of 42,000 and 30,000. 12,000. So Herman's savings is 12,000. Herman's expenditure is 30,000. Here the difference is 18,000. It's 18,000. Now see in 2015 data. Now the data is related for 2015. Rahul and Mohan invested. See, Rahul and Mohan invested 2/5 of amount and 3/5 of their income in stock market. Saves the rest. And also Herman saves 12.5% of his salary. Find the ratio between savings of Rahul and Mohan together and expenditure of Herman. Now see, take the data 2015. So here Rahul. What is the Rahul income? 50,000. So according to the data, what is the investment? 2 by 5th. 2 by 5th means 20,000 rupees is investment. Take the another person, Mohan. What is the Mohan income here? 2015 Mohan income is 40,000. And they clearly mention that the person is invested 3/4. So definitely here investment. Investment is exactly equal to 30,000. Another question here. And also Harman saved 12.5% of salary. So here Harman savings. And you already know that 12.5% means 1 by 8th of that value. 1 by 8th of Harman. See, Harman's value is exactly equal to 44,000. Now go through the calculation here. It's 5, 5. It's a 5,500 rupees is saving. Guys, be faster in the calculation and you should learn how you are converting percentage into the fractions. Another question here. What is the ratio between savings of Rahul and Mohan together? So Rahul and Mohan together is 50,000. And what is the expenditure of Harman? See, savings is 5,500. So what about the expenditure? Means 44,000 minus 5,500. That gives the difference, guys. Hope it's clear. Otherwise, guys, if you feel it's a difficult, let us take in this way. So his expenditure is, sorry, his savings is 1 by 8. Definitely expenditure is 7 by 8 of 44,000. You can take in this way also. You can take in this way. Guys, sorry, it's an investment, right? So what about the savings here? It's a savings of 30,000. You have to see, it's a savings of 10,000. So total savings is 40,000. Just cancel 3 zeros and 3 zeros. It's 11 times. It's 10 times. It's a ratio of 80 is to 77. It's a ratio of 80 and 77. See the next question. What is the average of Herman's income in all the 5 years? Is what percentage approximately of three incomes together in 2012? Herman's income. Hermans is the second person. It's a 52. 52,000. Take the data clear, guys. Don't miss any values here. It's a 32. And don't get any confusions in the diagram. So here middle value is represented Hermans. It's a 48 and 44. Add all the numbers. It's a 6 plus 4 total is 18. Here 10, 13, 17, 17 and 4. So total value is equal to 21. See, 2 lakhs 18,000. Why? Because each unit is multiplied by 1,000. We need an average, right? So divided by 5. So here 5 fours 20, 5 threes 15. We have 6. So 43,600. Hope it's clear. That's an average, guys. Average you already know that sum by number. Next one, see what is the income of all together in 2012. 2012 all together 36, 42, 34. It's 1,12,000. Here the question, see 43,600 is approximately what percentage of 1,12,000. Now the question here 4360 divided by 112. What's the calculation? Now let me take, see 112 is multiplied by 4. It's 448. See, it's nearer to the 436, right? Definitely answer should be nearer to the 40%. Nearer to the 40% according to the option, it's a 39. 39%. It's an approximation, right? Now find the difference between Rahul's income in 2012. So Rahul's income is 2012 is 36,000. Mohan's income is 2011. Mohan's income is 2011, 48k. What is the difference here? 12k. It's a simple question, guys. You can get this option within 5 seconds. Then see, for these kind of questions, see, if you go through the, if you observe carefully, you can save your time. Now, this question, try to understand. See, guys, if you're not unable to understand this question, definitely you are wasting your time in this question, guys. Try to read that information carefully. The ratio of income of Rahul in 2015 and 2016. Rahul. Income in 2015 and 2016. It is in the ratio of 8:5. So that is one of the variable we have. And you already know that what is the Rahul's income in 2015 is 50,000. Now 8 units become 50,000. Now you already know the calculation. See, 8 become 6 times 8 6 are 48. So 8 6 are 48, 8 2s are 16. It's a value of 6,250. If you multiply it by 5 times, it's a 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 6 are 30. It's a value of 31,250. You will get one information. Now go through the next data. So, and the ratio of expenditure to the savings in 2016. So, expenditure to the savings. Expenditure to the savings is exactly equal to 3:2. You already know that, see, income means expenditure plus savings. See, if it is a 5 rupees of income, 3 rupees is expenditure, 2 rupees is a savings. Now again you can compare, guys. You already know that, see, here 5 units is 31,200 means it's a multiple of 5 into 6250. And you already know that if total income is 5 units means each unit is exactly equal to 6250. Now what about their savings? Savings is 2 units, right? Savings is exactly equal to 12,500. Now what about expenditure? Multiply with the 3 times. 6250 is multiplied by 3 times. It's a value of 18,750. Are you clear with the calculation, guys? Are you clear, guys? 18,750. Okay, we are done with this point. If the savings in 2015 is 50% is more than, see, savings 125000, which is exactly equal to 50% is more, means 12500 off of 12,500, guys. Off of 12,500 is exactly equal to how much? 6,250, right? So add these two numbers, you will get the value. See again, it's a value of 18,750. Another question. So if savings of 2015 is 50% is more than the savings of 2016. So it's a 2015 data. Another question. The savings of 2015 is how much more or less than the income of 2016? So savings of 2015 is 18,750. And here the question, income of 2016. What is the income of 2016? 31,250. Just find the difference. 0, 0. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. It's again 2. So answer 12,500. And you already know that, guys, the savings is less than the income. So answer is 12,500 is less. It needs some calculation. So the calculation is depends on the way you understand the income.